I'm Eversen Bevelle, and I'm a cruise director. Every day I get to host, sing, dance, and make sure every guest, just like you, has a great time on board. I'm one of 1,400 crew members of 60 different nationalities, and these crew members work very hard every single day just for you. And today, they're challenging me to see if I have what it takes to do their jobs. This is Crew Confidential. Today we get to meet one of the most experienced housekeeping members we have on staff. 22 years in the game, ladies and gentlemen, and today I'm accepting the new housekeeping challenge. So we're gonna find out.
Hey, Eversen, Lord have mercy, what about that outfit, man?
This is the only uniform they had for me. They didn't offer me your uniform.
Hello, my name is Seuss. I'm working for Carnival Cruise Line for the last 20 years as a stateroom steward.
I came ready to go. I'm a little breezy.
You look good, man. You're looking good.
Well, I should have known something was up. Look, I'm here to do a challenge. Seuss, what is the challenge?
Well, I set up 6 large towels,
Okay.
6 medium,
6 towels.
1 Batman,
1 Batman.
and the same amount for myself. The contest is to see how many towels animal you can create in 3 minutes.
How many can you make in 3 minutes?
I can make 6 towels animal.
That's 2 animals per minute. That's what you're saying.
That's right. I think I will beat Eversen, the crew director, on this challenge.
Well, I'm gonna be filling up Noah's Ark in here. It's a lot of pressure, man. He's been doing this job for a long time.
Go and put your pants on and come back. I wait there for you.
Why you gotta talk about the pants?
Hey, Eversen.
Seuss, man.
You're back, brother.
I'm back. I got pants on. I'm ready to accept this challenge. Ready to do this thing.
1,
Okay.
2,
All right.
3.
Let's get it. Let's get it. He knew how to roll them and twist them, so I was still trying to get in the back door, trying to use all the magic that I could to get it to work. I got this. It was like a YouTube tutorial, and you think that you got it, like, oh yeah, I got this. I can do what they do, and then you get in there in front of professionals, and on this side right there.
Hey, you're not stealing.
I didn't steal anything. This one was how I left it.
I make 6 towels animal, but the cruise director Eversen, he took 1 from me. So that means he cheated.
I mean, I had it going. I had it going. You stay in your lane.
Eversen, stop cheating. He dropped my towel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We tied up. He put up the best challenge. I don't know if there's anybody that can even beat him.
He's very brave because he took the challenge.
Well, I tried. You know, if anything, I want to be able to make sure that he said, hey, you know, Eversen, he gave me his all.
Yo soy el campeón.
Hi, my name is Raza. I work as a guest service associate on this beautiful Carnival Magic ship. Hi, Eversen.
Hey, Raz.
How are you?
Good to be at Guest Services. Look, let me cut to the chase. I hear you have a challenge for me.
This is just educational challenge.
Oh.
Okay. Since we're guest services and we encounter so many nationalities, we have to speak all these languages. I thought I might challenge you to introduce yourself and welcome our guests in a foreign language.
If they gave me a language challenge today, then I would try my hardest to make sure I could use it, because the moment you say something they recognize, they immediately respond differently.
Okay, so I will say the sentence in English and then I will repeat in Serbian. So you just have to follow.
Okay.
So,
Get my tongue ready.
Hi, my name is Raca.
My name is Raca.
Zdravo.
That's not the sentence?
No.
Okay.
Zdravo, ja sam Raca.
Okay.
Okay.
Zdravo, ja sam Eversen.
Well done.
Thank
and
you.
now you're gonna say, welcome on board
Welcome
Carnival
on
Magic.
board Carnival Magic.
Dobrodošli na Carnival Magic. Can you repeat?
Dobrodošli na Carnival Magic.
Well done.
Thank
Can
you.
you repeat both sentences?
Of course I can.
Introduce
Now,
yourself.
you want me to do it now?
Yeah.
I thought you want like in the future. Okay, so.
No.
Zdravo, ja sam Eversen. Dobro Ashley. Došli da Carnival Magic.
Well done, Eversen.
Got a
You're
double.
so good at this.
Well, like I said, it's an educational challenge.
Dr. E accepted the challenge. He managed to do it very well.
Do I remember? Of course.
And he pronounced it very well.
Zdravo, Vladimir
He also memorized it.
Wait, I got it.
He's going around and saying this phrase in Serbian.
Dolce and Gabbana. I'm gonna get it, don't worry. I'll ask you again. I can greet in just about every language we have on board. Bakabar, ni hao, konnichiwa, ciao bello, bok, kap con ka, buenos dias, bom dia, maganda umaga, which is good morning. What's up, man? You know what I mean. Anytime that I can make somebody else feel better just by saying hello, it's gonna be a great one.
You've tuned in to CLTV, Cruise Life Television, your one-stop spot for fun.